right, we just had breakfast at the Noisy Goose here in Palmer, Alaska, and it was delicious. Long wait, very busy, so that's a good sign of being a good restaurant, and it was. So now we're heading down to the Iditarod headquarters and see if we can see some sled dogs. We are here in Wasilla, Alaska at the Iditarod headquarters, and we're going to check it out. Hopefully see some dogs and maybe take a dog sled ride on a dog cart ride. So come on along, we'll show you around. Thank you, sir.
Good job.
They're all you. Out. There goes my baby. is our view for the night. We're going to boondock and this pull off. We are south of Anchorage. Hopefully the traffic calms down a little bit when it gets later. But how about that view for looking out our camper door, our campsite? Pretty sweet. Hey guys, we are just south of Anchorage right now on the Cook Inlet, and we are sitting here with a whole bunch of other people. I don't know if you can see them all, but it's pretty busy, and we are waiting for the boar tide.
Yeah.
It's I think it might be coming now, but it's still pretty good ways away. So I don't know if you know what it is, but it's
just a long...
It's the front of the tide coming in, right?
Yeah, I think so. I could be wrong. I don't know.
So you'll have to look it up. We don't know everything about it, but we've seen some other YouTubers post it, and we actually used to watch a show called Rock the Park, and they actually surfed. It's like one long wave that comes through, and they actually surfed it.
Yeah, that would be cool to do.
Yeah, if you could surf.
If you could surf.
So it would be cool to sit here and watch somebody doing it. I wish somebody was doing it, but
hopefully they do.
Yeah,
we might get that chance. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, we can't really see it yet, but so we're gonna show you as we watch it. So you sure? Look, oh, that's a wave right there, though.
There's still like... You can hear it. It's still different. Like a bird
Yeah. That little kid keeps going down further and further. Oh, there's somebody out there. There's somebody out there surfing. You see him?
We're trying to get it over.
Picking it up or not, those guys on the surfboards are so far away.
Hurry up, it's tight.
Okay, so that's gonna wrap up our Valdez episodes, and we had a wonderful week with our son and his wife. They flew in and spent the week with us down there, and we had a wonderful time. We just took him to the airport today and dropped him off to fly back home, and we already miss him. A lot.
But they did. We had to. That's the thing with Alaska. You can make plans, and then you just got to change them. The two reservations we had for this whole trip in Alaska, they both canceled.
The only two we had.
They canceled, and we didn't get to do the fishing charter or the Lulu Bell, but we did get Stan Stevenson, and that was an excellent
substitution.
Yeah, it was. It was really good. The whole crew was great.
Yeah, it was a good time. We all had a really good time.
Yeah. So we added a few things, took a few things away with them. but they got to experience Alaska, and a lot of people can't say that.
Yeah, seen a lot of beauty. We did a lot of beautiful hiking, and you know.
Yep. So some historic stuff, mines, walking on a glacier. I mean, these are experiences that
they'll never
forget.
No, never forget, and may never have again. You just don't know.
Yeah.
So I'm glad they got to come spend time with us and experience it. It was a good time.
Yep.
So yeah. So now we are going to be heading down towards Homer and Seward, Whittier, that whole area down there.
A bunch of different places.
Yeah. So make sure you stay tuned and you know, check back, subscribe, like, and
hit the little chime button. Or
yeah, the little bell.
That way you'll get notification when Jen posts the new video. Because Jen is the main person.
Don't blame all that on me.
If it's bad, point to Jen.
So yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. Check out our next episode because it's going to be about our next adventures down there towards Homer.
And remember, life's a blessing.
So enjoy the journey. Bye guys.